Hello, I'm here again. This is also an old video, but I needed to repost it and then remove the previous one because of community guideline. Please, if you come across this video again, like, comment, share, and follow, please. Thank you to all my return subscribers. Please, if you have not subscribed with us, please do well to subscribe with us. Thank you very much. This is knotless braid. All small size from beginning to the end are all the same size. There's no cheating there. The outcome of the hair is given with coils at the end of it. This is honestly unique and beautiful. I love the hairstyle. This is it. Thank you guys. We really appreciate you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed with us, please do it to subscribe with us, and we appreciate you. Thank you, because we cannot do it without you. Thanks a million times. As you can see, the way I'm demarcating the hair from beginning to the end are all the same size. There's nothing like cheating there. This hairstyle is for dogos. Honestly, it's giving. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Unique. Nice. Bye. Good night.